This little SUV in front of me didn't get the memo to keep rolling. Oh. Like he's sliding. There you go, a plow driving down the road and they ain't got the plow down. What the hell's going on? What you got a plow, bro? What is you not plowing for? And he ain't spitting no salt out his butt. He just driving. The hell is going on there, Kelvin? I gotta wipe my back window off. Yeah, look at them tires on this little car spinning. This ain't the weather to be out here unless you got some good tires. Because he just spinning. Even with good tires, I've been that little hill, I was stuck. So I ain't have no traction. Not the day to be playing around.